Hey, what's going on, guys? Hey, want to share a quick overview of support and resistance trend line and how they help me to understand price action better, and also to help me enter and not to enter a trade. All right, let's get started. So this is on Euro USD pair 5 minute chart using trading view. Let's do something on this chart. Oh, this is a live chart, by the way, as you can tell. All right, well, I'm gonna draw a quick trend line here. The price moves up as in being indicated by this nice trend line on the bottom of the price movement. Also want to draw this area here. This is a very typical example of support and resistance. Price moved up, moved down, bounce up, move down, bounce up, and so on. This became a support right here. Actually, let me just move this back a little bit so you guys can see. Support. It's been tested 3 or 4 times. One, two, three, four. Finally, this red candlestick broke the support, but price tried to move up again, and this support area became resistant, and eventually price moved down. Quickly before I move on, I will not be talking about strategy in this video. Just want to give you a quick an overview of how support resistant trend line works in my opinion and from my experience. This example again, very typical, but I want to show you maybe another example that not as clear as what traditional support and resistance and trend line. So let's move on to Australian dollar and USD. Let's focus on the structure here. I'll do my best to draw multiple trend line that I can see here. The first trend line is this guy here, in my opinion. Support. There's a trend line right there. I can also adjust my trend line based on this new support, right? If I draw my trend line, extended it, this trend line became a resistance. You guys follow that? I also saw a couple more trend line here. There's this support trend line. This is what I call major support, minor support, if you will. And then this minor support trend line also became a resistance later on this structure. I can also draw the top resistance area. Okay. The other thing that I can think of is this little guy here. So this is a resistance which became a support, right? Resistance support might not be as visible, but this is actually a support as price came down a little bit and move up. Okay. Also, there's another one right here, right? Resistance, and then it became support, a mini support right here, and became a resistance again. Okay, sounds complicated because well, it is a little bit complicated. And also I just drew a bunch of line on my chart. Let me just delete this. The other alternative to identify support resistance is also drawing areas. I think I did that before, but let's do it. So let's start with this area here. All right, and then let's do also this area here. Okay, and then let's also do this area right here. Okay, so resistance, support, resistance, support, support, resistance, support, 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 and resistance. I hope that makes sense. How do I take advantage of this? Perhaps I'll share that in the next video. But Before I end this video, I want to make sure that you guys please exercise reasonable, responsible risk reward management and only risk what you can afford. More on that later, but I hope you guys enjoy this video. Happy trading, but most importantly, happy Thanksgiving. I will talk to you guys later.